What's going on, everyone? My name is Chase Reiner, and today we're going to be talking about how to use AI to generate videos for TikTok, just like this one, within just one click. This tool actually uses ChatGPT 4 to go and build prompts and text for videos that we actually then use another tool called 11 Labs to do the text-to-speech with, and then we're actually using Midjourney images as well to make these really, really cool videos that we can post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to post, okay? So let me show you what this video looks like, and then I'm going to show you how I made it.
Imagine stepping into the year 2030, where the secrets of the ancient pyramids are finally unlocked. A world where the mysteries of the past become the knowledge of the present. We marvel at the intricate technology hidden within the stone structures. Centuries-old wisdom echoing in the whispers of the pharaohs is revealed. However, the celebration is short-lived as the sky darkens, signaling an impending disaster. Suddenly, a great flood engulfs the world, swallowing cities and monuments in its wake. The secrets, once revealed, are again submerged under the floodwaters, adding another layer to the enigma. In the end, the year 2030 becomes a paradox of illumination and obscurity.
So that's the video. And again, I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to talk about some of the updates we're adding into this tool. This tool just came out yesterday, so it's still brand new. It's in beta. So there are a lot of new things that we're going to be adding into this over the next few days to next few weeks. So let me just show you again what this tool looks like, how to sign up for it, how it works. First of all, you're going to head over to shineranker.com. And if you're already on the landing page, you don't have to enter your email. But if you're not on the landing page, you would enter your email. And then below this video, you would click on Get ShineRanker for just $1. And then you'd sign up for the $1 trial. Now, once you're in, you're going to get a dashboard that looks like this. This is an intro video. You can watch this. It shows you how to sign in once you get the $1 trial. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to the AI video tools section, and we're going to be clicking on AI text to image. Now, when we're in here, we can enter in any idea we want. So it really doesn't matter. People have been asking me, Chase, do I enter in like a long, idea? Do we enter in just like a few words? That's completely up to you. You can enter in whatever you want. Let's just say I want to create a video about an AI tool that generates video, takes over the world, and makes millions of dollars for anyone who uses it. So we're going to click on generate. Now what's happening here is when we click on generate, that idea that we just put in is going to get passed to ChatGPT 4, and it's going to give us a story, basically, about this thing. Now, that story is then going to get passed back to ChatGPT 4, and then it's going to give us some prompts for Midjourney, and then Midjourney is going to go and render us out images for the video. Then we're going to be passing this script to 11 Labs, and 11 Labs is going to go and do text-to-speech for us. It's going to read off the script. It's going to use our voice if we want to use our voice. Right now, it just uses my voice just because it's in beta, but you will be able to add your own voice soon. And then it will go and combine all of this into a video. Now, right now, the video tool takes about 2 to 3 minutes to generate a video. In the future, we will have the ability for you to bulk generate videos, multiple at a time. And we also will add some really cool things in here as well, like multiple image prompts. Right now, we're just using one image prompt, and then we're pulling multiple images from that prompt. And then we might even do some animations and all kinds of stuff. Right now, the animations that were in the current video, I actually did inside of CapCut. So I'm going to show you how I actually did this. It's pretty simple. The animations you put in here are very easy to do. But again, we will be adding all those customizations in here as well. So what I would do is while this is generating, head over to CapCut.com, download this for free, whether it's on Windows or your phone. You can also use this tool on your phone within ShineRanker if you don't want to use your computer, and you can use CapCut on your phone as well if you don't want to, again, use your computer. So once this is downloaded, you're going to go over to CapCut right here. And then I'm just going to delete all of this for now because I'm going to start fresh. This was the video I made that I showed you a second ago. So here we go. This is what it's going to look like. And again, it's going to look the same on your phone as it will on your desktop, okay? Now that's still finishing up. While it's finishing up, I can go to the music section here and I can start finding some music that I want to use. If I want to use like scary music, I can click on these different tabs here and I can see what this sounds like. Okay, maybe I want this one. No, a little too upbeat. Maybe this one. And that's the one I used on the other video. Let's do that one. So I'm going to drag that down. Now I have the music. I can make it a little bit quieter just by dragging here. And then let me go back. Is it done yet? Not done yet. And by the way, part of the reason why these are taking a little bit longer, you can see it just finished, is just because we have so many people using it. The server's actually crashed multiple times now since we got this tool live yesterday. And it's because so many people want to use it. We have upgraded the server, so it should be doing better now. But we might have to upgrade it again pretty soon just because, again, we're trying to keep up with the demand. So let me click on download here. It's going to give me the video, and I might have to... Yeah, there we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and just copy that, bring it into CapCut here, drag it in like so. There we go. And then I can shorten the music here. And then I can start doing whatever I want. If I want to start adding, effects, I can just, I can cut it like that, press play, see what it sounds like. Oh, I got to change the dimensions. Let's go to ratio. We're going to do 9:16. Here we go.
Discover the future of content creation with our revolutionary AI tool that generates video. This cutting-edge technology...
So if I want to cut out those pauses, make it a little bit faster, I can just Control-Shift-B on my keyboard and then delete that.
Video. Cutting-edge technology is about to disrupt the media landscape.
Okay, I want to cut out this pause, let's say. And this is something we'll probably add in as well, automatic jump cuts, so you don't have to wait.
Creating high quality...
Oh.
Imagine creating high quality videos with just a few clicks. No more hefty production costs.
So it looked like there was an audio low point on the other one, but I don't think there was.
More hefty production costs.
Yeah, it looks like those aren't actually
hefty production costs.
Low points. But what I can do, so watch, is every time there's a transition here, like an image transition, I can just press Control B, do a cut there, and then I can click on transitions and I can kind of add different animations just by dragging this on top of the thing. So now if I press play,
landscape, imagine.
So there's like a little transition thing there. I can do like little like swirls and kind of different things just to make it more interactive.
Tool that generates video. Cutting edge technology.
And we might need to make that a little bit smaller just because it's cutting over the audio.
It's video. Cutting edge technology.
We might have to just use a different one.
Cutting edge tech.
Oh, and actually, I think this is just because
video. It's cutting edge.
There was a audio point there. I'm not sure why it's not showing us because there is audio.
Video. This cutting edge.
So let's just do this here now.
Yo. This cutting edge tech.
And I might just have to redo this because there's something I accidentally did something wrong here. Yeah, let's just regenerate this whole thing. Just go like that. Start from the beginning. And then
discover the future of content creation with our revolutionary AI tool that generates video.
Okay, so that's the end right there. I'll just go back. I'll do a cut right there, Control-Shift-B, and then I'll do maybe the flashbang
video. This cutting edge technology.
So there we go. And then if I click on effects, I can also kind of make different things go on inside of this. So I can like drag this effect here over it.
Discover the future of content creation with our revolution.
But maybe I don't want it to be that long. I can kind of move that. So you can kind of customize it however you want, right?
The future of content creation with our revolutionary AI.
Okay, I want something else going on here, like a flicker. So we'll drag that on, make it happen over here.
Discover the future of content creation with our revolutionary AI tool that generates video. This cutting-edge technology is about to disrupt the media landscape. Imagine creating high-quality videos with just a few clicks.
And then I can drag maybe this one on. So I'm just giving you an example. You can see you can kind of do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter too much how you do it, just maybe making a little bit more interactive.
And creating high quality videos with just a few clicks.
And then when I'm done with this,
Rates
when
and
we get to
beyond.
the end, I can click on export and I can export the video and then I can post it, okay? Now, these videos, again, I posted this pyramid here a second ago, and it's got, a few hundred views on it. But it's kind of cool because I don't actually have to be in the videos. I don't have to actually use my own voice. I don't really have to do much of anything except just post these videos, and I can promote whatever I want, right? So if I wanted to promote like ShineRanker, I wanted to promote like an affiliate tool. And by the way, if you go into the ShineRanker VIP in the bottom left of ShineRanker, you can see there's all these tutorials showing you how to use these tools. But also, if you click on 400 plus AI tools here, you can actually promote any of these tools and get paid to promote them as well. And you can even promote ShineRanker. So when you go to ShineRanker.com and you go to the $1 trial, if you type in /partner at the end of the checkout page, you can actually get an affiliate link and you get paid 40% reoccurring commissions anybody who signs up for this tool. So you just sign up, enter your name, whatever, it gives you a link, and you can just start adding that to your videos and sending traffic to ShineRanker with these actual videos. So again, I just wanted to show you kind of a quick update, show you kind of how the new editor, the new video tool works. And if you want to edit them, you can just do that inside of CapCut. But yeah, I'm excited to see what you think. I'm going to leave a Discord link or a link to our Discord server in the description of this video. Definitely post the videos you make in here. I'd love to see them. We got tons of people that would love to see them as well. I'm excited to see what you come up with. And yeah, we'll see you inside. Till we do, happy money making.